So this is roof water harvesting through borewell recharge. We are implemented in Hassan. So we take a bigger roof waters and this all the roof water filter it and store it in this more than 2 lakh liters of water tank. So in this storage they can use for directly purpose, and then after overflow this tank they have the 3 borewells. So we can 3 borewells we recharge that. The cost will be say Ajay will speak on that.
We are spending 8 lakhs in the tank for full construction works and other ends. For 4 lakh rupees spent for borewell recharging.
Recharge.
7 lakhs total.
Yeah, result now.
Result is we all put in one motors in one borewell, and result is very good.
Because they got 3 borewells. In 3 borewells there is in 2 borewells total dry.
Yeah.
So there is only 1 borewell they are using, that has very little bit of water. So now they are getting very good water quantity.
We first using first borewell, this dry, then again we make the second borewell, and then this is dry, and then we use the third borewell. That's why we need to recharging the all borewells.
So now what we are advising that, which is 1 borewell is dried, we can recharge that first one. Here we are implemented 3 borewells, all 3 borewells will be recharged through this all the roof water area. Almost in this campus 2 acre, right?
4 acre.
4 acre, but we are getting only the 25% of roof area we are getting from the harvesting there.
I think per day we using 5,000 liters in a single day, because we have the total person is 300 near about.
This is we have 5 rings method, multiple rings, borewell recharge methods. So once this fill of this 2 lakh liters of tank, all the roof water, then it's overflow. So we are connecting the first ring, this first ring. Then after this fill, then it's full, then this will full. So how much is the first ring will be full? The same other rings will be full that much of water. These are the just for the filling. The first one ring is the any dust, any is there, it will be you can make the cleaning and everything that for the maintenance. So once it will be second ring, it's very clear. The third ring is clear, fourth ring also clear. Because of this is for the just for the storage nearby the borewell. Because of why we are going to build this kind of multiple rings, the casing pipe is very small. So we can't send all the rainwater immediately to small casing pipe. So that's what we need to store some water in that. Instead of making the tank, bigger tank nearby the borewell, we make the rings of that because the cost effective in this. So in and inside the interlinkage of each rings, we are not putting any the pipes and all. It is interlinking for the filter media like gravels, the 40 mm, 20 mm, 6 mm gravels. Through the gravels only, the water will be seepage each rings. Then it's finally it goes in this final. We are making the holes in the casing pipe, wrap the mesh and everything. So it goes in the water table to directly. Now this is the dried up borewells. You can see how much this water will be stored. The same quantity of water will be stored in this casing pipe. So this year is very good rain for them. This almost it is a recharge that. So just they can put a pump, they can use for the water.
Thank you.